Day 3 story The Generosity of Rantideva Mother's Moral Workshop, Maa Ki Sanskar Shala. Second week, Day 3 Shuchin Pavakal Dhruvam, Rigved. Appreciate those who are firm in righteousness, do not glorify success achieved through injustice. Story The Generosity of Rantideva. Rantideva was born in a wealthy family. Even as a child, he shared his wealth with the needy. He got married and had children. Without worrying about the future, Rantideva and his wife continued to be generous. No one left their home empty-handed. In the end, Rantideva ran out of money. His family had to survive for months without food. One day, Rantideva received some rice, ghee, wheat, and sugar. The family expressed gratitude to God and sat down to eat. Just then, a saint arrived at their doorstep. Rantideva greeted the guest and served him the meal. The saint left satisfied. There was still half a meal left for Rantideva and his family. When they sat down to eat, a hungry farmer came in search of food. Rantideva offered him a seat, provided him comfort, and served him food. The farmer enjoyed the food. There was still some food left. Rantideva's family decided to distribute whatever remained among themselves. When they sat down to eat, a traveler arrived at their doorstep accompanied by 4 dogs. He begged for food for himself and his 4 dogs. Rantideva offered the remaining food to the guests. The traveler was overjoyed to see that the hungry dogs were also given food. By the time the traveler departed, there was no food left. Rantideva smiled and said, "God is merciful, we still have some water left." Just then, he heard someone crying, "Oh Lord, I am dying of thirst. Will any kind soul give me some water?" Rantideva hurriedly went outside into the street and saw a poor man in distress due to thirst. He offered him water to quench his thirst. The man accidentally spilled the water. As soon as Rantideva saw him, the poor man revealed himself as Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. "Rantideva, the gods have descended on earth to test you. We are pleased with your spirit of sacrifice. We will be delighted to grant you whatever boon you desire." Rantdev bowed to Lord Brahma and softly said, "May I always be able to share whatever I have with my fellow beings, O Lord Brahma. Please bless me with this." Lord Brahma blessed Rantdev and returned his wealth. Rantdev and his family never remained hungry again and continued to help those in need. Kindness is the ultimate religion.